Hey everyone, you're welcome here today. Have you been wondering how to get rid of that dirt in the crannies of your car or pet hair around the house without emptying your wallet for a clean home? You're in the right place. Today, AIM-Tex is here with a bargain hunt of budget-friendly cleaning tools, showcasing the top 10 vacuum cleaners you can snag for under $100. We've got corded, cordless, uprights, and canisters. Something for every need and every budget. And of course, every single amazing item you're about to see is linked directly in the description below. Now let's get cleaning. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. This little machine packs a surprising punch for its size. Here it is, ready to go, along with its handy attachments. Assembling is straightforward. Just attach the wand to the base with a click. Wrap the power cord neatly onto its designated hooks, and then attach the included tools like the crevice tool and dusting brush to their onboard storage spots. And just like that, it's assembled and ready for its first use. Watch as it tackles everyday messes on the carpet and makes quick work of those scattered pet food bits on hard floors. It's not just for floors though. See how the attachments, like the dusting brush, are perfect for baseboards. And the crevice tool gets right into those tricky blind slats. A compact and versatile option to start our list. Next up, at number 9, the Eureka NEU 10AE5 Powerful Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This upright powerhouse demonstrates incredible suction on hardwood floors, effortlessly pulling in fine debris, and it transitions smoothly to deep clean carpets, gobbling up everything from shredded paper to coffee grounds. Despite its power, Eureka claims it's as light as air. The detachable handle converts it for versatile cleaning. Use the dusting brush for keyboards and countertops, or the crevice tool for those tight spots in your sofa. Emptying the dust cup is a breeze, and the washable filter makes maintenance simple. A true workhorse for any home. Coming in at number 8, it's the Intercleaner Corded Vacuum Cleaner. This slim, corded stick vac from Intercleaner is a great helper for home cleaning. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, making it easy for anyone to use. With 400-watt high power and 12 kPa suction, watch it tackle debris on tiled floors. It glides effortlessly under furniture thanks to its 0 to 90-degree flexible head. The metal tube is easy to remove, transforming it into a compact handheld for cleaning sofa crevices. And that 2-in-1 brush attachment? Perfect for reaching corners, stairs, curtains, and even shelves. Our 7th pick is the versatile Eureka NES 215A Blaze 3-in-1 Swivel Handheld and Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Looking for adaptability? The Eureka Blaze is a 3-in-1 wonder. See its powerful suction makes short work of messes like cereal and sprinkles on hard floors. The swivel steering allows for easy maneuvering around and under furniture. Watch it transform. Detach it to a handheld for cleaning stairs or use the crevice tool for those tricky spots in the kitchen, like countertops or along windowsills. With a washable filter and easy cord storage, it's designed for ultimate convenience. If you are concerned with dragging cable along with your vacuum cleaner, here's some cordless options for you. At number 6, we have the KCLASO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Unboxing the KCLASO reveals everything you need for a spotless home. And assembly is a snap. This cordless vacuum makes cleaning efficient and effortless with its powerful upgraded motor. It handles hard floors and carpets with ease. Check out the intelligent LED touchscreen. It displays battery life and allows for quick adjustments between its 3 suction modes. Its 5-layer filtration system with HEPA captures fine dust. The V-shaped roller brush minimizes hair tangling. Versatile attachments like the crevice tool are perfect for drawers and tight spots. Plus, charging is straightforward. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is the DEVOAC N300 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The DEVOAC N300 is here to lighten the burden of daily cleaning, especially with furry friends. Its 2200 mAh battery offers 25 to 40 minutes of runtime. Just a press of the button activates it. With 2 suction levels, max mode at 20 kPa and standard at 15 kPa. Watch the motorized LED brush head with its V-shaped roller brush reduce hair tangles and powerfully clean coffee grounds from hard floors and debris from various surfaces like marble and carpet. 4 LED headlights illuminate dark corners under furniture. Its 5-stage filtration system captures 99.99% of particles. With a retractable metal tube, 2-in-1 brush, and long crevice tool, it's perfect for windowsills, sofas, keyboards, and high-up areas. Enjoy one-press emptying, a washable filter, just remember to dry it thoroughly, and convenient wall-mounted charging. Our 4th contender is the sleek CHEBIO A16 cordless vacuum cleaner. Making cleaning easy is the CHEBIO A16. One charge gives you up to 45 minutes of runtime, with 2 suction modes to choose from. It provides deep cleaning on carpets, tackling confetti and fluff. Its flexible, rotatable electric floor brush with LED headlights navigates around furniture effortlessly, illuminating dirt. And look at its impressive anti-tangle brush design compared to others. As a multifunctional cleaner, it's great for sofas, with the crevice tool, countertops with the brush tool, and even high-up areas like curtains for whole house cleaning. One-touch emptying and convenient wall storage make it super user-friendly. Stealing the 3rd spot is the Gevi cordless vacuum cleaner. The Gevi cordless vacuum impresses right away with its bright LED lights, illuminating every speck. It effortlessly tackles fine powders on hardwood and then moves on to that pesky cat litter. Pet owners, take note. Watch it make short work of pet hair. And for bigger messes like kibble or even confetti on carpets, its strong suction has you covered. It comes in stylish white, purple, or blue, and boasts multiple attachments for versatile cleaning, from crevices to countertops. With up to 45 minutes of runtime, an easily cleanable HEPA filter, a simple-to-empty dust cup, and 2 convenient charging options, the Gevi is a true cleaning companion. Our runner-up at number 2 is the mighty Eureka 3670M canister cleaner, also known as the Mighty Mite. Oh no, a playful pup has made a mess! But the Eureka Mighty Mite canister cleaner is ready. This compact yellow or blue beast offers powerful cleaning on all surfaces, effortlessly sucking up crumbs and dirt. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, whether you're on hardwood or using its multi-surface mode for carpets. Perfect for whole house cleaning. It reaches high and low with its array of accessories, including a crevice tool and dusting brush. Take it outdoors to clean your deck or even the trunk of your car. It features a high-filtration, messy-free dust bag and easy cord storage for ultimate convenience. And now, for our number 1 budget vacuum cleaner, the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Reach Full-Size Vacuum Cleaner. This full-size vacuum cleaner is a pet owner's dream. Reclining it is as easy as a step. Its triple-action brush roll is specifically designed for easy pet hair pickup, and the scatter-free technology handles messes like pet food on hard floors without flinging debris everywhere. See how it performs overhead. Lightweight and maneuverable, with swivel steering, it glides around furniture effortlessly on carpets. A true all-rounder for a spotless home. And there you have it, our top 10 picks for budget-friendly vacuum cleaners, all under $100. Each of these machines offers fantastic value and some serious cleaning power. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect cleaning companion for your home.